This is the Goose-Grip Godzilla work light set that consists of the 39-inch stick light and the 12-inch swivel stick light, along with the portable battery housing. And comes in a gorgeous aluminum case to keep it in good shape when you're not using it. So portable battery housing. This one handles a Milwaukee M12 battery. Power cable, you can hook this up. Either one of these lights can be powered for the vehicle battery. Just plug that in directly into the wire that's wired to the light. And this light here, 39 inches long. Many different uses. I know some of you wise guys think it's overkill, but it's not, because I've been fixing cars 42 years. And you know, you drop a gas tank and you want to see on top of the gas tank so you don't break nothing. You put this light right on top of the gas tank. It illuminates the entire length of the tank all at once. You want to listen to a noise in front of the engine while the engine's running. Put this light down and literally let it touch the ground with the tip of the light. It's 3,600 lumens. This light here is 1,300 lumens. So if we were to take the portable battery housing right here, and we was to take our Milwaukee battery right here, this happens to be a 6.0 Milwaukee battery. So battery's plugged in, and now if we was to just take this wire and plug it directly into that, and if we was to turn it on, man, you got tons and tons of lights. 1,300 lumens right there. All right, let's shut that one and plug this one in. Now you got 3,600 lumens. And of course the 12-inch swivel stick light with a stainless steel swivel. Nothing off the shelf, totally custom made swivel. Allows this light to be positioned at any angle, any pitch, you know, 90 degrees. And then while it's 90 degrees, you can swivel this around like a ballerina. It's only 14 millimeters wide, 9 millimeters thick. I'm gonna list this set for sale. Right now it's on the site along with the other twin light set in the black and red case. And I think that package is $590. I'm going to put this on on the site in a day or two. I'm not sure of the pricing. I gotta figure it out. But the swivel stick and portable battery housing by itself, without a case, sells for $149, and that 39-inch stick light sells for $99. So already we've got $249 without the case. I may go $269, $279 and call the case maybe $30. Somewhere between $260 and $300, I think, for this case. Anyway, look for it on goosegrip.com. I'm out.